be covering part 5 in our Getting Ready for Prayer series, in which I'll go over the Qibla. This is the direction which we face when praying, which is towards the Masjidul Haram. Where is the Qibla? Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Continuing with the prerequisites of Salah, in today's video we'll be covering part 5 in our Getting Ready for Prayer series, in which I'll go over the Qibla. If you haven't checked out our previous videos, step 1 to step 4 of this series, then please do check it out. So what is the Qibla? Now this is the direction which we face when praying, which is towards the Masjidul Haram. Where is the Qibla? The Qibla is in Makkatul Mukarramah, in the Masjidul Haram. The importance of the Qibla is such that the Muslims all pray towards the same point as is in our tradition. Now, why do we pray towards the same point? This is because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded us. Now this is part of the ahkam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It also symbolizes the unity of all the ummah, that the Muslims are all one. Now this is also where the Prophet ﷺ instructed us to pray and to face. Prior to this, we would face a certain direction. We would face towards the Baytul Maqdis. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala granted the Prophet ﷺ his request, his desire to face towards Makkah rather than the Baytul Maqdis. Now that completes the step 5 of our series. If you have any issues with today's video or any questions, then inshallah comment below and we'll answer them. Jazakallah khair.